In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion template for the 12-week year system. If you're someone who's looking to maximize productivity and achieve your goals within a shorter time frame, the 12-week year method is a powerful tool that organizes your objectives into a 3-month cycle. I'll walk you through the process of setting up your very own template in Notion, which is an incredibly versatile platform for organizing and managing your tasks. So let's jump right in. First, to get started, we need to be on Notion. If you're already familiar with navigating the interface, this will be a breeze. The initial thing you want to do is look towards the upper right corner of your Notion dashboard. There, you'll find your profile picture or the initials representing your account. Click on it, as this will give you access to a panel where you can manage personal settings and other options related to your account. Once you've clicked on your profile, the next step is to head over to the Templates section. This is where Notion really shines, as it allows you to explore a variety of pre-made templates that can be easily customized for your needs. Go ahead and click on Templates to open up the library. This will present you with a large selection of options, categorized by different kinds of workflows and projects. Now, to locate the specific template you want, simply use the search bar at the top. Type in 12-week year, and you'll see Notion's search results narrow down to templates that are most relevant to your query. This is a highly efficient way to sift through the many templates available, and it ensures you get directly to the content that matters to you. With the search results displayed, take a moment to select the template that suits your style and needs the most. Notion offers various designs and structures, so you can find one that aligns perfectly with how you like to work. Click on your chosen template to preview its layout and contents. This is a useful step to ensure it matches your expectations and objectives for implementing the 12-week year method. After selecting the ideal template, look for the option to add it to your workspace. Clicking Add will integrate the template into your Notion setup, allowing you to begin adapting it to fit your specific goals and timelines. From here, you can customize the details, such as tasks, deadlines, and any additional notes necessary for your 12-week planning. And that's it! You've now successfully created a Notion template for the 12-week year. This setup will help keep you organized and motivated as you work toward achieving your quarterly goals. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to customize your template further to suit your specific needs. Happy planning!